Okay. And yeah, you can send her now. I'm not busy. Thank you. Yo, yo, yo! Hi! Hi. What's your name?
Jenny from the block!
Jenny from the block? Right. Jenny from the block. Okay.
What, you stupid or something?
No. I'm gonna start typing up her info, guys. Her name is Jenny.
From the block.
From the block.
That's without the C.
Okay. So, what is your hobby?
I like to shoot people.
So are you from
The block.
The block? Where is the block?
I don't know, I'm not mad.
Okay. So, how do you get that scratch on your face?
What's that?
Jenny?
Go that Theo, I'll show you. Yo, don't be done.
You're under arrest. Took care of that lady.
You really do have a scratch. Is that really a scratch?
Where?
On her sheet.
The
scratch? Yeah.